Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the participants registration and apply for the FTP workshop. So I welcome you all wholeheartedly to come and participate in this faculty development program, which is going to be organized at Utkal University Pharmacy Department. The Atal FTP is a 5 days online program. So let's start the video. So first go to this Google search engine and in the search engine type AICTE Atal FTP. So here the official page of the Atal FTP shows up or opens up. Then after this go to this official site of the Atal FTP. Then this official site opens up. Then after this go to the sign up page, sign up button. This is the sign up button here. Just click it over here and this, yeah, the sign up page shows up. Then after that you can read all the information and instruction given in this for the participants. Then click on OK button. After that, fill all the information given here to sign up. Like what is your role? It's participant. What is your title? So you can write it's Mr., Miss or Doctor. Then your full name. What's your date of birth? Here it's you can click it here to know the just click the year. Okay, 1985. You can click the month over here and a date. Then what's your gender? It's then your email ID, then your mobile number, then your password. In this password section, the password must contain at least 8 characters with a number, a lowercase, a uppercase, and a special character. White spaces are not allowed. Just go through this and make your own password. Then click on this sign up button. After signing up, you can log in through your mail and password. So go over here, this is the login button. So you can put your email address and your password that you have given and click on this sign in button. As I have already signed up and have my profile created, so let me just show you what are the next information you have to fill up. So just put in my email ID. So this is the password and this is the page. This is my profile I have created. So herein you can, after that you have to fill the information like well, like your father's name, your phone number, what's your WhatsApp number, the alternate email ID, what's your designation, what is the specialization, experience of teaching, your employee ID, your state, district, address, PIN code, and institute. So you have to fill up this, and after this you have to just save it and go to this workshop section in the sidebar. In this workshop section, you can find a list of workshop being lined up. Now you can see that there is an option here. What's the state, which month, what is the thrust area, the mode. Here, just for example, I'm telling about our workshop in Utkal University. It's in Odisha state. So just select the state here as Odisha. So this is the state Odisha. And in the month of July, we have the workshop or the FTP in the month of July. This is the July month. So yeah, see, this is our FTP in the month of July. As I have told you, this is a 5-day program from July 7 to July 11. And in this, you can click this red button, this red plus button over here to apply for the workshop. Just click it and it will show you the information you will be seeing. You will see that once you have applied and got approved by the respective coordinator, you cannot cancel it. After reading this information, you can press this confirm button to apply or to register yourself in our FDP. It's the confirm button I have pressed. So as I have already applied for the workshop, is showing like this. Then what you have to do is uh, go to the applied workshop section in the sidebar. This is the applied workshop section. So here I have applied two number of FDPs here. This is the elementary one I have applied and the advanced one I have applied, and you can see in the status it is approved by the coordinator. So in Utkal University we are conducting two FDPs. The first one is the elementary one and second one is the advanced one. You can apply the elementary and advanced both and get approved by the coordinator as soon as possible. As the seats are very much limited, you can go and apply for the same. Hope this video was informative. Like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. We will be uploading videos of each sessions of Atal FTP here. Stay tuned and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we put a new video. Thank you.